the last time you have eaten French fries? Maybe yesterday? Now, when's the last time you've eaten French fries and thought about getting cancer from them? According to Dr. Olden of the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences and National Toxicology Program, this could be a reason why 1,500 deaths to cancer occur in a day. Among U.S. residents, 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women will develop cancer throughout their life in some sort of way. We all live in the same world and use many of the same products that may cause cancer. So, the 3 different causes of cancer that I'll be talking about today are harmful chemicals, hereditary genome, and lifestyle choices. This leads me to my first point, which is something many of us may not know. Most people do not intentionally know or take any dangerous chemicals that cause cancer, but when it comes to chemicals in the air or in products humans use on a day-to-day basis, it sometimes becomes impossible to avoid. There are many infectious viruses that play a huge role to the onset of cancer spreading around the body. Industrial chemicals from factories release billions of pounds of chemicals per year, industrial chemicals from factories release billions of pounds of chemicals into the environment every year that cause either infectious viruses or the human genome to transfer and become cancerous. Cancerous chemicals are in consumer products including building materials, food packaging, and furniture. And here are some examples. Contaminated water, insecticides, certain types of paint, rubber, adhesives, cleaning supplies, batteries, missile fluid, and the list goes on and on. Many times it takes a pretty good amount of exposure to certain carcinogens in order to have an effect on the body. Also, depending on a person's genome structure, these chemicals may affect people differently, which leads me to my next point. Hereditary genetics of the human body are broken down into 2 main classes. If parents have weak genes, this may pass on to the children, causing them to be more susceptible to cancer than other people. An article by Leo and Gloria and the family in the American Cancer Society, a rough estimate of 20 to 25,000 genes that are in the human genome, currently more than 300 that are known to be part of the development of cancer. Genetic mutations in cancer genes can be inherited, but also may occur in a person's lifetime through lifestyle choices, which leads me to my next point. Most importantly, changing lifestyle and choices covers 50% of the risk being diagnosed with cancer. Controlling health by maintaining good diets and exercise can prevent cancer from occurring. Decreasing or not having any tobacco intake lowers the risk tremendously due to the carcinogens that are located within the chemicals of cigarettes and dipping tobacco. Avoiding too much sunlight and UV exposure can prevent genetic mutations in the skin cells. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the U.S. Cancer counts for 1 in every 4 deaths in the U.S. Cancer is caused in numerous ways, some being toxic chemicals, genes, and mainly due to choice of lifestyle. Thank you.